To make anyone immediately regret insulting you, show that you are unaffected. The purpose of today's training is to defeat yesterday's understanding. Whatever your determination or willpower, it is foolish to try to change the nature of things. Things work the way they do because that is the way of things. Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. We have collected these quotes by one of the best-known Japanese swordsmen, Miyamoto Musashi. Not only was Musashi an excellent swordsman, he was also a writer and philosopher. His thoughts were collected in this video for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching.